for a new punchline. And first of all, I would really like to thank you for the upvotes which you have given us on my previous video, which was on how to learn the tricks, how to learn the currencies of countries in European Union. Please do watch it. If you have not seen it, do watch it. I am very sure that you will love that. Again, we are here and we are here for a new trick. Another problem the student faces is that we have covered the viceroys in modern history. But we all know that before viceroys, there were governor generals. There were governor generals of Bengal and there were governor generals of India. So here we are again for you to make it easier for you to how to remember the sequence of the governor generals. Today's videos is based on the tricks to learn the governor generals between 1774 till 1828 and then 1828 till 1858 and then 1858 to 1947 we have the viceroys, which we have already covered in our previous video. So if you have not seen, please do watch it. And also do subscribe our channel, because otherwise you will miss all the important tricks. Because in the initial we have planned that we will be providing you two things. We will be providing you tricks to learn the journal studies portion, and the second one, the basic concepts which will help you in making you strong in reasoning and English section by providing us the videos on coding, decoding, by providing us the video, by providing the video to you all on coding, decoding, on inequalities, on mixture irrigation, on number system and etc. So do subscribe our channel. Now today's trick is based on a situation, or once again it's basically on two friends and they are looking to make each of them laugh. So inspiring from that situation, what we have the trick named as हंस कर जॉन ने विल को 0 मिनट में हंसा. Yes, it's once again a funny trick, and it will be how you will pronounce it as. There are two friends, one is John, one is Will, and हंसकर जॉन ने विल को 0 मिनट में हंसा दिया. So what is again, it's the same funda which we have been using in the previous tricks also, that these are nothing but these are the names of the governor generals. So let's discuss what the names are. The first one is Hastings, full name Warren Hastings. The second one is Cornwallis. The third one is John Shore. The next one is Wellesley. Then again we have Cornwallis. Then we have George Barlow. Then we have Minto 1. Then we have Hastings. To differentiate it, Marquis of Hastings. And the last one here is Amherst. So these are the names of permanent governor generals. Remember this. There were around 4 governor generals which were made on temporary basis. And in which year they were made, we will discuss it further in the video. So the first permanent governor generals in India were Warren Hastings, then Lord Cornwallis, then John Shore, then Lord Wellesley, then Cornwallis, then George Barlow, then Minto 1, then Marquis of Hastings, and last one is Amherst. So now, if we go through the timelines were Warren Hastings was there between 1774 to 1785. Cornwallis was there between 1786 to 1793. John Shore was there between 1793 to 1798. Lord Wellesley was there between 1798 to 1805. Cornwallis again was there between a short time period, July 1805 till October 1805. Then George Barlow was there between 1805 to 1807. Then Minto I was there between 1807 to 1813. Hastings, Marquis of Hastings was there between for 10 years, 1813 to 1823, and Amherst was there between 1823 to 1828. Now, as we discussed that there were 4 temporary governor generals during the period between 1774 to 1828. So let's look at who are those and when were they act as the governor general. So the first exception here is after Warren Hastings and before Lord Cornwallis, there were the first acting governor general was there between 1785 to 1786 named John Macpherson. John Macpherson. Now, the second exception is between John and Billy. That is in 1798. My second exception. Name A. Clark. Named A. Clark. Now the third exception is between Hastings and Marquis of Hastings and Amherst, 1823, and the Governor General named is John Adam. And the Governor General name is John Adam. And the last one is after Amherst, that is in 1828, named William Bailey. So these are the list of 13 Governor Generals. Out of them, 9 were permanent and 4 were acting. To learn the permanent sequence, let's revise the trick. The trick was Haskar John ne well ko 0 minute mein hasa diya. And what were the exceptions here? The first exception is John Macpherson between 1785 to 86. The second exception is in 1798, A. Clark. The third exception is 1823, that is between Hastings and Amherst, John Adam. And the next one is after Amherst, that is William Bailey. So this is the first part in which we have covered till 1828. In the next video, for surely we will be covering the second part, that is between 1828 to 1858. Now, before ending, I would like to say that for these regular updates, do subscribe our channel, that is Adda 247, and also you can regularly visit us on our websites, on your own bankersadda.com, your own sscadda.com, your new website adda247.com, currentaffairs.com, and others. You can also follow us on Facebook. So please give your feedbacks. If you like our videos, give it a thumbs up, and even if you don't like it, just put comments on that. Okay, what are the things which you haven't liked in a video. So thank you for today. We will be right back in the next video. Thank you.